All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Rick Roller Challenge from olicyber.it as part of their Olympiad, Italian Olympiad of Cybersecurity set of challenges. So what does the description say? So they sent me this link, but I am constantly redirected to a strange video. Can you tell me why? So they got the website over here, and we can access this in another tab. So put this in a new tab. We've got our Rick Roller website. And while it's in Italian, let's translate this. Translate. Okay, Rick Roller, ready to get a flag? Press this button. Okay, so press the button. I guess I'll put this in a new tab. And what does this do? This redirects us to, well, first an ad, and then over to the Rick Roll video. Rick Astley, Never Gonna Give You Up, official video. So this is not the flag. This is not the. This is not the goal of the challenge. So what are we supposed to do here? So what we can do on this website is we can take a look at what website we're actually being redirected to. If we right click and then go to view page source. Okay, in view page source, you can see what's happening in the web page code. And what it's doing when you press the button is that it redirects you to this endpoint over here, get_flag.php. Okay, so getFlag.php, what we can do is we can just get the entire, what is it called? URL by right-clicking, and then we can copy link. So we can copy that link. What we can do is we can take a look at the request inside of a terminal. So we got our terminal over here. We'll use the curl command to take a look at what's actually happening when we try to visit this website. So curl v is going to give us some verbose output. And we see what happens when we make our web request is that when we try to access this page, it responds with a 302 found. So 302 means that it's going to redirect our request. So inside of the headers over here, it actually tells you where you're going to be redirected to. And it's going to redirect you to the YouTube page over here for the Rickroll video. The rest of the request actually gives you the flag. So the flag is Rick Astley classic meme. So normally you wouldn't be able to see the contents over here for this web page because your web browser is going to redirect you to the Rickroll video. But if you take a look at the request with another tool such as curl, you can see what's actually going on with the request. So let's review this challenge and then we will finish up. Just a second. So this challenge has a button which redirects us to a familiar troll link, which is the Rickroll video. If we take a look at the source code for the page, we see the button that takes us to a web page called getFlag.php. So if we access this page with curl, we see that it redirects us to a Rickroll YouTube page, but it also includes the flag. So what this challenge is supposed to teach us is that there can be information inside of the redirects that you need to pay attention to. So how do we finish up? We go over to our request here, grab that flag, copy it, then go over to the challenge page here. You'd normally be able to paste your flag into a submission field, but we've finished this one already, so we can't. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Rick Roller Challenge over at olicyber.it as part of their Italian Olympiad of Cybersecurity set of challenges. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.